Hi guys. Oh, what's going on here?
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. In today's video, we are going to be doing some dermaplaning at home. Now, I ordered this dermaplaning. Help me. I don't think I need scissors. Yes, I do. I received these dermaplaning blades a while back, and I didn't want to do this video without using this, and that is the microscope that shows you a little closer than you really want to see, but I wanted to see. So they've made this entirely too difficult to open for someone like me. Here they are. They're called Tinkle. Tinkle. Yeah, let's give it a little read. It says for beautiful eyebrows and that it's an eyebrow razor, but I've seen all over YouTube that people are using these to dermaplane their own face. So that's what we're gonna do. The instructions on here say glide the razor softly downward. Now, I've watched a few videos on how to dermaplane, and you know what? They're all different. Some of them put oil or some sort of moisturizer on the skin before actually putting the razor to their face. Some will shave only down, some only up, and some both. So we're gonna try to figure out the best method today. I'm going to pick green. So my plan is with the microscope. I don't know if I am ambidextrous enough to actually be able to do this at the same time, but I really want to see at least before and after, very close up, non-dermaplaned and dermaplaned. And I will do whichever side that I can best film. The only problem I'm seeing right now is, well, I would think that you would want a really close-up mirror while you're dermaplaning so you can kind of see what you're doing. By the way, my husband, it's his birthday today. Happy birthday. And he just took himself to a movie. I'm a horribly mean wife. I don't go to the movies. I just cannot sit there for 2 hours, even if it's someone's birthday. Anyway, he likes to go alone, but before he left, he asked what I was going to do a video on today, and I said dermaplaning, and he asked me if he should stay home in case he had to take me to the hospital. He's very funny. What we're gonna do first is get a feel for dermaplaning. Am I scared? A little. I think I have probably the most hair here. It looks a little serrated. All right, so let's wait. How will I? Okay, I'll do this side. No, wait. Okay, let's first look at my hairy face. It's really not hairy. I'm not a hairy person, and the hair that I do have is blonde. So as you can see, I have yucky looking skin. I think everybody does up close, but age has done some stuff to my face. Yeah, obviously there is hair on my face. So we will go here with the dermaplaning. By the way, I wasn't able to find this. I knew I had it, but I couldn't find it, and I knew I wanted to do this video, so what does Lou do? She buys another one and then finds the first one. So, smart lady. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna go downward first. And at the bottom of the scraping is kind of a pile of hair and skin. My computer is gonna explode because I've got photo booth and QuickTime audio and QuickTime video going. So if I die, that's what happened. So what I really want to do is at the same time. So let's give that a whirl. Oh, see it? This is exciting. Fantastic. I promise to do better on the next sweep. Let's see if it's still on here. Those are my sweatpants in the background. There's some of the hairs right there. Right there. More hair, more hair. Skin? Is that skin? Let me wipe it off and see. Oh, you guys, that was skin. Okay, I'm gonna have, oh, yep, nope, yep, right there. We're gonna do it again. Ooh, it's very soft. on the other side. It might even work better this way. By the way, my skin is clean. I haven't put anything on it. So yeah, see flakes of skin right there. Skin there. Let's just do this a little more. You can see it accumulating on, ow, I'm a little scared because I tend to do everything a little bit too hard. You know, I'm like Monica when she massages people.
Say goodbye to sore muscles.
Goodbye, muscles!
Oh, ew. Look at the hair and the skin. Hair and skin, hair and skin. It's all hair and skin. So that's what came off my face. Okay, let's see where I have dermaplaned. So yeah, right there. My skin looks a little bit red and irritated, doesn't it? I am super sensitive, so that's to be expected. I don't think we're done with the microscope yet, but that is what I wanted to do. I wanted to be able to see this thing go to work. Can you hear it? I'm gonna let you guys hear it. I'm gonna clip this on my ear. Okay. Okay, that's all I can do because this hurts. I'm gonna wait till this little tidbit of video is uploaded because I don't want to lose it. It's good stuff. You know what might be easier? Dermaplaning something else on my body and holding this thing with the holder that it came with. I have two of them now, as you know. This is what it looks like. It's very fancy. So I think we will do my arm. Oh, this thing is so cheap and awful. Bear with me. Okay, let's find a hairy part of my arm. All right, I'm gonna try to be as still as freaking possible. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Wow, this is difficult. Oh, there we go. See it, see it? Yes, Lou, we see it. There's all the hair and skin. All right, I give up. I have another way that I wanted to view the before and after or the effects of dermablading. We've seen the hair and skin come off, but what about putting makeup on top of where you've dermabladed and where you haven't? Because one of the positive things that I have read about dermablading is makeup goes on much more smoothly after doing it. So that's going down. Let's try going up. Oh, okay, so this is what we're gonna do. Oh my God, there's like a pile I want you guys to see. Oh, and it just, wait. I wonder if I can get that on the little microscope. See if we can get it. Here, how about I just show you like this? Okay, my table's wood, so the background is wood. That is from swiping down my face. So this little, I keep losing it. And what I'm gonna do now is, all right, here's the dermaplaned portion of my skin. You see a lot of gross stuff, but no hair. Other side, blonde hair, among all the other lovely things on my skin. I can really feel where I've dermaplaned. It's pretty sensitive. All right, makeup time. Let's turn this bad boy off. Yeah, it's super sensitive right here. It doesn't help that I have been cramming that microscope into my face. So let's go get some foundation and maybe some powder. Yeah, and we'll see what side looks the best. All right, we're not going to use any primer or anything, just plain old foundation. Maybelline Fit Me. So I'm almost afraid to put this here because I feel like, you know, my skin is exposed and raw. Might as well do my whole face, right? I can already see in the mirror that it's much smoother on this side, aside from the rings of pushing the microscope deep into my flesh. Let's put a little bit more on for good measure. More on. Let's take a, oh wait, let's powder first. Oh. Sensitive, I can feel that a lot better than the other side. Maybe the hair on my face is there for a reason. My battery's running out. Excuse me. Okay, wait. Everybody wait. My husband just texted me from the movie. This is not good. He went to see, I forget. It's the one with Anne Hathaway and that Australian blonde girl that's in all of the a cappella singing movies. Switch movies. I also have to see if I can check in for my flight to San Francisco mañana. That is Farsi for not today. I got a notice that the weather in San Francisco is so bad, check in for your flight, that I have the option to switch flights. Day earlier, day later, whatever. But I don't want to. So I will risk my life to fly when I want to. Let's get to this and this. This is a Starbucks cup that I've had forever, so much so that you can't tell what used to be on it. And I have dropped it a couple of times, and this is probably not the original lid. And it just has water in it all the time. Oh, my flight. If you choose the voucher amount you'll receive for changing your flight, you can add your name to a volunteer list and place a bid on one or more flights. No thanks. Well, what does that mean? No thanks. I want my flight. We've waived the change fee for the following flights. None of those are mine. Why? Oh, I'm so confused. I have to deal with this later. All right, here is the side that has been dermaplaned. To me, it looks like desert dunes, but at least there's not, you know, grass or trees there. Other side with makeup. All right, there it is. Yuck. Oh my God, look at the hair that has makeup all on it. Well, hairs. Oh. Here, I want to show you this too, because look. Okay, see that little black micro piece of something? That's floating around in my hair, whereas on the other side, there's no chance for that. Okay. All done. I'm convinced. So, let's think about what we learned today. At least what I learned. If anything. It doesn't hurt, but it definitely makes your skin feel more sensitive. And that makes a lot of sense because you have taken a lot of dead skin off of your face that would normally protect it. I think this is a great way to exfoliate the face. I don't know if I would do it only because it makes makeup look better, but I might get rid of my sideburns. Oh my God. Oh, I'm going up now. You see that? It's like cotton candy. It's not like when a man shaves and he gets, you know, those little coarse hairs. This is like a cotton ball. I rolled it up into a ball. I want to ever see this again. And now that area of my face looks really smooth and soft. I don't know. I have to think about it. The first time I saw dermaplaning was when my sister got her face dermaplaned. And of course it was by a professional. So let's just say I don't recommend this. Be careful. But she went down. I do remember she went down and just piles of skin and hair come off. And I would think that someone that uses Retin-A like I do, you get a lot of dead skin. Oh yeah, we were talking about what we learned. I just did my forehead with this, and again, I'm super sensitive, but I can feel that. I think you'd be able to feel anything touching your face, the wind, because it's far more sensitive from scraping the hair and skin off your face. I may do this. I may do my whole face, at least the hairy parts, and kind of see how my skin reacts to it. I know that when my sister had this done, she had a chemical peel put on top of her raw skin, and I could tell she was in pain, but she has a very high threshold. I guess that makes it dig deeper. I just can't stop. It makes the acid go deeper, penetrate deeper, penetrate into the skin so that you can get a better peel. I wouldn't do that though. I wouldn't be able to stand the pain of that. Hey, is there hair on my lip? No. So yeah, I will do my entire face and possibly, I don't think I'll use retin-A. I will use hyaluronic acid or something milder than that. Let's cut this off. Oh. Ugh. So it will take a little bit more use to determine whether or not I feel like dermaplaning at home is a beneficial thing. But I will get back to you guys on that because I kind of have always been curious. You know, you see those videos. This is why I shave my face. And when you learn why, it all sounds very positive. You guys, the next time you see me, I'm probably not going to have hair on any part of my body because I can't stop. Anyway, you guys, that's it for this video on dermaplaning at home. I hope you enjoyed it. I think you might have learned something. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye, guys.